Hello, I'm Marcus Brix with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by VitaFirm. Gain Smart Wheat is a free choice vitamin and mineral supplement for stocker cattle, designed to balance basic nutrient needs for maximized efficient gain on wheat or small grain pasture. Learn more at gainsmart.com. Earlier this week, the highest level court in the United States issued its ruling over Proposition 12, upholding the California law. The timeline in this case stretches back to 2018 when California voters approved a measure raising the minimum space requirements for hens, sows, and veal calves. More importantly, Prop 12 banned in the state of California the sale of fresh chicken, pork, and veal from any animal not produced to the new space requirements. According to a Rabobank study, California consumes about 14% of U.S. pork production, and less than 4% of U.S. sow housing would meet the new space requirements. The effects of Prop 12 mean either cutting off most pork producers from the Cali market or forcing them to drastically change operations. National Pork Producers Council, in tandem with the American Farm Bureau Federation, filed a legal challenge against Prop 12 in December 2018, arguing it violated the Commerce Clause of the U.S. Constitution. The Supreme Court of the United States heard arguments last October and finally issued a ruling this week which upheld the original law. According to the court majority opinion regarding the Commerce Clause, quote, "No state may use its laws to discriminate purposefully against out-of-state economic interests, but the pork producers do not suggest that California's law violates that principle." Regardless of the Supreme Court's ruling, Prop 12 will likely create a two-tiered market for pork, with California's market driving a high premium over U.S. average prices. The USDA composite pork retail price was $4.73 a pound in April, down about 30 cents from last fall highs, but still 50 cents above the 5-year average. Pork has grown relatively cheaper against beef since last fall, with all fresh retail beef trading at 1.5 times the cost of retail pork, the highest ratio since December 21. At the producer level, the cattle-hog spread is just as wide historically, with December live cattle 11% premium to Deese hogs, the fourth highest ratio seasonally since 2000. December live cattle futures were finished the week around $169 per hundredweight, gaining just over $1 Friday to Friday. In the cash market, light to moderate trade occurred in the north, averaging around $176 per hundredweight, mostly steady with last week. In the south, light volumes brought mostly $170, about $2 per hundredweight lower versus the week prior. Thanks for watching. Remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member or see the latest market news and analysis.